This is the unboxing of the Beyond the Gates of Antares Freeborn Mhagris Feral Squad plus one extra model. Oh yeah, look at all this history. Made in Great Britain. I think I'm ready to unbox. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed with the cameras. Here we have the extra model, and I'll come back to that. Well, it comes with the die. My other ones didn't come with the die. That's awesome. I gotta get my scissors in two hands to open this. Okay, I cheated a little bit and used scissors, and I opened this bag. So with the extra character, what's nice is the base is already punched out. We got this guy. He's looking serious. Yeah, all these other bases already punched out, which is not the case in my other Antares box. Got this die here. Great, my refrigerator's running. And it's empty. Consider this unboxed. Have fun with this thing.